Okay, welcome back. Just thought I would do a little unboxing of some products that I received. And so I've got a little experiment. I want to take some of the photographs I've taken and see if I can sell them on a Printify and Shopify in different products. So this is one of the first products, just got it. And this is one of the photographs that I took while I was a guide up in Sunrise. This is Red Mountain #2, and I posted it on Facebook and asked everybody to caption it. And one of my friends put up Psalm 111:2, which basically are great are the works of the Lord, and thought that would make a pretty cool mug. So this is going to be available on my Shopify account. And I also put it on a little notebook. And this was a slightly different one. I modified some of the coloring and used a filter. This one definitely did not turn out as well as far as the quality of the print. Still pretty cool. I'm going to use it. It's a smaller notebook than I thought it was. I thought it was full size, 8.5 by 11, but it's just a smaller, like 5 by 8. But kind of cool. And my goal, I've had this idea. I would love to help people. There were so many people that I took out on photo shoots, like amateur photographers that were taking amazing photos. They're definitely not amateur. And I always wanted to help them make a buck using their photos because they were amazing. And I got some pretty cool ones. So anyway, watch for the Shopify account and see if I can't put this together. And if you're interested in one of these mugs, which I could easily take the scripture verse off too and just have it that way if you're interested. Anyway, let me know. Thanks.